Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Retro Pop Planet. So one of my Christmas gifts this year for my parents was my business logo custom embossed on this brush. Oh hey, what's up guys? Sorry to interrupt myself, but this intro was filmed about 8 months ago, if that gives you any indicator on how long I sat on this project. All right, let's get you back to the program. My cousin's wife in the UK has a business where she does all kinds of custom pieces for folks, and she has a pretty big following. It is Summer Lovin' Creations. Now, go check her out. I'll leave some links below. I didn't want to just display this piece on a shelf where it's going to collect dust, and it's not something that I'm going to use in the day-to-day, but I wanted to give it a little bit of a special treatment. One of these flea markets that I like to go to always has a vendor that does custom shadow boxes using a bunch of different non-related items combined into a shadow box to make one piece, and I thought that'd be something that I could do on my own. I've actually never done that before, so this is not necessarily a how-to video. This is more like a I'm gonna do it anyway for the first time, and I might as well do it on camera video. So let's get into making this shadow box, and I'll talk through my process as we go along. Oh, hey, it's me again. So I found this little craft gnome at a local garden store. I thought I would paint it to look like the mascot in my company logo. I even added the Red Wing boots. All right, let's head back. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like this. I am obviously not an expert in shadow boxes. I just like to do them. And I thought this was kind of a cool one. Hopefully you get some ideas. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe. And let's do some turnaround shots, and I'll see you next time.